So I got an estimate today. Client says he's got a cabin in the woods and he wants to get a wall put in to divert some water. So, not gonna lie, I had a little bit of trouble finding this place, but now that I'm here, this place is pretty cool. You guys got to see this. All right, so I came in like behind these trees, and then I curved around this pond, and then you come up to here, and I got to grab the tools out of my car, and then I'll show you guys the rest as I walk back. So again, the pond, pretty sweet little pond. It's like a 2-level deal. Tell me that's not badass. So the reason I'm here is because this natural spring overflows and then runs right to the house. So we're gonna try and get it to run into the pond. So obviously doing a French drain or a ditch to that pond probably would have made the most sense to control the water, but that's not what the customer wanted to do. What the customer wanted to do was add some storage space along the back of the house, build it up, maybe cut the grate a little bit so that it just gently flowed around, and this is where we landed.